2008 Acura MDX with technology package. 7-passenger SUV. Nice white pearl paint, aluminum alloy wheels with good tires, side step running boards, tinted windows, tow hitch trailer package, dual chrome tip exhaust, all-wheel drive, plenty of storage compartments, plenty of room, power liftgate. Nice tan leather interior, carpeted floor mats throughout. Rear climate controls for the second row. Power windows, locks, and mirrors with memory driver's seat. Heated front row seat. Premium sound system with sub. 6-disc in-dash changer. Free 90-day trial Sirius XM satellite radio. Large recording screen with backup camera. Apple CarPlay. Hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls. Just over 142,000 miles. It's even got a sunroof. Come on and see us.